Hi, I'm Elena Reguero, and this is my evidence for Frugal Innovation Semanatic. So first, I'm going to talk about the problem we decided to work with, which is illiteracy. Because in Mexico, we don't have access to basic education, and it's a really big problem. So I think my solution is different because it's eco-friendly, because we use recycled materials. But at the same time, it has innovative solutions like solar powered lighting, and it's cost effective, I think so, because it's like really less expensive than making a traditional school. And it is a short period of time of construction compared to a normal school, which takes a long time. So this is our prototype I'm going to show you. So this is our prototype after like making our first one, and after a validation process, we got this, which is like a container classroom, which here has a lot of ventilation because kids, like in our interviews, we discovered that containers were really warm. Like they like maintain the warm in the container. So we like for kids to not be hot, like while taking classes, we had to put like this ventilation and in the bottom also. And we have these solar panels, which will give electricity to the container. And so after the interviews, we realized that extreme weather conditions can be a risk at this point, like for our idea, because like for example, floods, earthquakes, really hot places, really cold places can be a problem. So that is like the main like thing we discovered from our interviews with experts. But from our interviews with users, well, with potential users, are that cultural barriers. Like in Mexico, many parents think their kids don't need to go to school and they prefer them to work, even if they're gonna win like pesos a day, maybe, and they prefer that like than people like than them studying. So yeah, that's like the biggest risk we have. And I think this is a highly viable idea because I consider that it is low cost, sustainable, and scalable. But the potential risks are what I told you before. And so after concluding the Semanatec, what I learned most about myself is that I stress a lot when my first ideas not work, but that after that I can be really empathetic and learn about like the necessities of the people we are working with to help them in the best way possible. So this is what I learned about myself and about all the Semanatec. I learned about problem solving, adaptability, and the importance of listening to real users. So this was all. Thank you, teacher, for everything.